Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. I'm Bethany Gaffey with UF Innovate, and today I'll be chatting with Dr. Matthew J. Traum, a professor in UF's Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department, about his senior capstone class. Dr. Traum, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, could you tell us a little bit more about what you do in this department?
Sure. I'm the instructor for our Mech 3 course, which is Capstone Senior Design. And it's the final class that the students take before they graduate and go off into the real world. And so we're giving them kind of a hands-on experience where they integrate everything they learned in all their previous classes to design and develop a product that typically for an outside customer and typically for either nonprofits or startup companies.
And you recently had a really interesting collaboration with a nonprofit in the U.S. military. Could you tell us a little more about that?
Sure. Yeah. The nonprofit is called CMI2. It's the Civilian Military Innovation Institute. And they invited me to like a new product pitch where they'll actually bring in soldiers who have been out in the field fighting, wars and battles, who will come to CMI2 with different product ideas and they'll pitch them. And so I was there and I watched the product pitches, and there was an idea to create a new type of camouflage deployer for Army vehicles. And I talked with the leadership, both of CMI2 and the Army at the base there. And they said, oh yeah, we'd be happy to have UF use this as a capstone project.
How did the students feel when you pitched the idea to them?
The students were pretty excited. Having the U.S. Army, the military, as a customer was something that we've not done before. And the benefit there is that the Army was really engaged. So they would be interacting with the students on a weekly basis. The first semester that we started working on the project, they actually brought a whole fleet of vehicles and a whole bunch of soldiers jumped out of the vehicles and actually did the camo deployment up on Fox Field. So then the students could take videos and pictures and take notes to see what was slow and inefficient about the process.
Thanks for joining us on another Tech Tuesday. If you'd like to learn more about UF's engineering department, check out their Capstone Showcase website. And we look forward to seeing you next week on another episode of Tech Tuesday.